Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, you hit that subscribe. Every day we're talking about going on a ride and we're going to the moon. We're going soon. Wall Street Pete here. How's everyone doing tonight? This evening. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. The weather seems to be beautiful. And guess what? The crypto market seems to be just as beautiful. So every day you hit that like, subscribe, baby. We talk about it. A little bit of some news here. I want to get involved. Obviously, it's been a day since we did a video. Did a quick update for you. You hit the bell, all notification. And obviously, when we have important news or an update, we come to you. Happy Saturday, Pete, brother. Good times in crypto space today. You know, this is why we buy the dip, and maybe you questioned if this was the dip. We're still going to question if this is the dip. The bottom, of buying the dip here. The bottom is very, very hard to find. And you know what it is if you do keep buying and testing the waters, eventually you're going to find the bottom. And what happens is when you do find the bottom and the bottom is confirmed, you're going to be a happy person. Yes, Elon coin was up 43%. I thought, Phil, you were excited about. What's up, Phil? Phil's in the house. Hugh's in the house. What's going on, Hugh? So everybody's here. We're excited. Gucci. Without further ado, Gucci invests $25K into the DAO. NFT marketplace, super rare to start digital art vault. Big news here. I don't know if people understand, and please smash the like button. It's very important because what happens when Gucci invests $25,000? This is part of the Ethereum network, so therefore they are now buying $25,000 worth of Ethereum. They have to buy these things and convert to get into this space here. Understand, this is a purchase. This is an open. Yes, we purchased Italian high-end luxury brand Gucci is venturing further into Web3. Ha ha ha! Web3 is the economy. And many more, of course. It's not just run off by economy, but we are very bullish on by economy. Gucci has acquired 25,000 worth of rare tokens to join the super rare DAO, which its buy-in. Gucci is launching the vault art space. Very exciting. They're getting involved as much as they can. They're going to have their own NFT. They're going to be selling more. They're getting into the crypto space. It's just, hey, we're here. We're getting in. This is also another old little bit of news here. Gucci to launch the NFT collection with super plastic brand. This has already been done. This is also coming into it. Only 250 of them will be minted. That was already done. But one thing really, last news, second tidbit of the show and final. Solana really, as we know, I'm not a fan of Solana anymore. And then all of a sudden I turned my head. Solana announces Web 3.0 smartphone, prompting Solana crypto gains. Pay attention. Definitely mention Dingo in the house. What's up? This is crypto news for you. You hit the like, subscribe. We talk about technical analysis, and then we go over the news too. This is pretty exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Solana making a phone sounds like a joke. This is really, really big news because most of the people who trade they're on their cell phone. You're on your phone. Not many people have computers, as many as you think phones. Solana is releasing a first of its kind Web3 smartphone. The hardware will feature mobile-friendly app development tool called Solana Mobile Stack (SMS). I think they should have came up with something else than an SMS verification, but maybe that was part of their plan. Solana Mobile Stack SMS. The phone is expected to retail about $1,000. That's about what they do now. Releasing early next year. So if you're interested in this, I think Solana did just hit a home run. If they are successful in this actual phone, which it's very important to have a Web3 adapted phone. This is going to change everything. So my name's Wall Street P. Like I said, we bring you big news. This is huge news for Solana. Solana just stepped up a couple notches in my game. Coming in, Shiba Inu. We already know 4 days ago, Wall Street P told you. We were bouncing up 1,200. People were excited. This was 4 days ago. I said, let's time to pull out the Fibonacci sequence. 50% pullback in a bull market. If it were to continue, you would hit the 50%, 928. Ever since then, what have we done? Well, the significant bounce has confirmed to me, since we bounced off that 9, that we would be on a nice bull run. Well, it's time to settle this. Where is the resistance? Where will we stop? Well, now that I'm already here and looking, it's kind of unfair. But ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hit some resistance if you don't sell some of your Shiba Inu. I know, Mr. Sellner, you are a big fan. You are part of this right now. You're in. Tell him. take profits or watch them say goodbye. And it's unfortunate. And you don't have to sell 100% of your Shiba Inu. You don't have to sell 100% of it. But 20% is good, right? So when you come and dip back in and it falls and it hits this price of the 1,000, you said, oh, shoot. When we were all the way up at the 1,200, I told you that this would be a price we would hit. Pretty sure I said 1,200 would be a price. I'm looking for it on my charts. I don't see another 1,200, but I did say we'd come here, we'd hit it. I expect resistance off here. This is definitely what I expect. If I were to redo this chart, and this is Shiba Inu, please, none of this is financial advice. This is Trading View now. And if you see this was a cup and handle, what is a cup and handle? I'm new to the show. I don't even know what the hell you're talking about. This is pretty much what the cup and handle was. The handle fell all the way to 928, precisely what I said. Yeah, you should. You should. And I don't like to tell people what to do with their money, but I grew a fond to you, especially Mr. Sellner there. I love you guys. You guys are part of the Wolves in Chat. What I think's going to happen now is we're going to trade here for a little bit in this range. So expect some downfall after we get off this video. Definitely. It's definitely going to happen. I think the entire market is going to come falling, crashing down. When we did my last video live, Man of Decentraland was like 86 cents. Sandbox was down here at like 92 cents. So you got to understand, we're getting cup and handles. We're getting formations on all these charts. And I said cup and handles were coming. They were forming. Go back, check the timestamp 2 days ago. I said this was coming. I said this was happening. A lot of people don't believe it, but don't believe me just once. Right, Bruno Mars? But really, 35 cents, we dipped in. Guess what happened? Well, we hit some resistance right here as we're supposed to. You'll probably see a cup and handle come down to a certain point. Maybe we're there already. But this is Polygonmatic. And want to go over a couple things. My last video. Were you there for the last video? Well, let me know. Pay attention to this chart right now. Head and shoulders pattern. Inverted head in the middle of the bottom here. But if you see this trend right now, I have a trend. This trend line heading down. There's a chance. This breakout gets resistance. We trend down a little this way. And then I expect right there. 22.8, somewhere roughly around there, to be able to really take it up. So that was yesterday. I real quick did a quick video. My channel was horrible. I'm sorry, but it was really quick for you. And how'd that work out? Well, if you zoom in and you check it out, it's doing exactly what I said. It's taking this trend line to the downslope here, because you must understand that. And I feel like all the YouTubers and all the guys are doing this right now, but unfortunately for them, I have proof that I've been talking about this way before they were. So check the timestamp, hit the bell and the all notification. What I do believe can be establishing here is a nice upward W. So pay attention to that. I do believe there's a really good chance we're going to get this. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, but I see this coming. I really do. What'll be the first hit is the 22.7, 22.8 Bitcoin. Pay attention to that. Perhaps maybe a little lower. My prices seem to be off a little, but if you see here, I do believe that there's something coming in. So pay attention to what I'm saying here. Take it for what you'd like. None of it is guaranteed. None of it's financial advice. I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. We are up almost back to 1 trillion market cap. So kind of excited about this. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the update. Gala Gaming's moving. Sandbox is moving. That's another quick idea. Avalanche, I expect that to retest to the upside. What's going to happen? It's not going to stop, ladies and gentlemen, until we get probably to about right here, $23. So I don't expect Avalanche really to do anything else until it hits there. So this is what I do. It may be magic to you. It may be something serious to me. But when this happens, you'll see what I'm talking about. We'll break above a little, probably higher, of course. But to finish that cup and handle, most likely you will have to do that. So then you'll see, and you'll come back down here to the 21, and then we'll see if we can keep doing cup and handles. And then that's basically how the crypto space works. It's an art. Technical analysis takes a long time to understand. Imagine 4 in the morning, how many nights up and down, staying awake, watching these charts and watching these setbacks, pullbacks, as they will happen. And it'll be a cup and handle inside a cup and handle. Could be a little more dramatic. Maybe you get to 1980, but just an understanding, give you a quick thrill here. Let's see what we got. Jasmine going through, right? We bought Jasmine and we bought Mana under $1. I said every time we buy Mana under $1, that's a win. Harmony One token's doing absolutely nothing, concerning me a little bit. But usually that's the times everything goes nuts, and then all of a sudden that goes nuts by itself. So expect Harmony One token right now. You could timestamp this as I do it every day. Harmony One is doing nothing. Guess what? There will be a point in time where everybody is talking about this move coming. So this move's coming, 4 cents. You don't believe me? I'm telling you right now, there's not many guarantees I throw out there. But if you're looking for a quick token, a quick little tidbit of get me up, I'll tell you right now, Harmony One token, this is due. Harmony One token's coming, and when I tell you it's coming, it'll be trading for about 4 cents. I want to say within about a couple days or within the week. Expect Bitcoin, please understand this chart. Expect Bitcoin through the week coming in after this Sunday, probably Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We will be trading hopefully 22.7, 22.8. Hitting resistance, looking to break to get back up to here. I have a long position right now at the 19.7. If we do fall below the 19.7, I will be selling and liquidating out. I'll probably break even. It's fine. I sound like a real ass breaking even, but hey, I'm trying to hit something big here on my long position. Maybe one day we'll be able to share a little more of the leverage. I'm only doing 5-time leverage. That's actually a lot. I would suggest doing 3-time leverage. That's my advice. But I do expect maybe some long sideways down slope here. Finally hit back to the 2,000. Maybe we meet here, and this is probably the price we're going to hit. So please, if you understand this is another magical move. 20,300. So there's a chance that we fall all the way down to that price until we get a pick-me-up, and then that's when it'll start. So pay attention to this here. I do believe that's what's going to happen. I'm Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Now we are here at home, just looking at all the old memories, and I miss my fellas. They had a nice get-together the other day. I had no clue. I wish I went. I would have recorded and had such a wonderful time. A lot of people there I saw that I miss. It sucks. But, hey, it is what it is. They have an annual get-together at the New York Mercantile Exchange, and they eat right in front of the building. It was insane. I seen pictures of it on Facebook. But everyone, like I said, this market is very volatile. If you're just getting into the crypto space, you may be a very lucky person right now. There's a chance you may have gotten into where it's at the bottom. How many times could you do that? That's very rare. A lot of people don't even get into crypto. So, Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Have a wonderful day. I would like to come with another video Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern time, perhaps maybe even tomorrow morning. We do another one. We'll have 2 videos tomorrow. Let's see how the day goes. Maybe we don't do any. It depends on the market. We'll see what happens. I keep you updated. You hit the all bell notification so when we do go live, you get this information immediately. Have a good one.